Russia, the world's largest nation, is a treasure trove of experiences waiting to be unearthed by the intrepid traveler. The country's vast geographical stretch boasts of an incredible array of destinations, from the shimmering shores of the Black Sea to the rugged wilderness of Siberia, and from the historical grandeur of its imperial cities to the cultural riches of its secluded countryside. Each destination in Russia tells a unique story, a tale of different eras, culture, and landscapes. From striking gilded places to vast natural spaces, take a look at the best places to visit in Russia. A summer beach resort town sitting right on the Black Sea. Sochi offers long stretch of pebble and sand beaches, imposing example of Stalinist architecture, a summer film festival known as Kinotav, and plenty of spas and outdoor markets to please all budgets and taste. The longest river in Russia, Zimta, cuts through Sochi before it empties into Black Sea, and it's a very popular destination for rafting. Uh, the 3,000 square kilometer Caucasian State Nature Biosphere Reserve, just 50 kilometers from Sochi, is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and home to a number of unique species of flora and fauna, including the endangered Persian leopard. The nearby Rosa Couture Ski Resort is another favorite destination during winter and world-class alpine skiing area. The 2014 Olympic Games were hosted here. St. Petersburg actually has so much to offer. It's often impossible to see it all in one day. St. Petersburg has fine art and exquisite design details mixing in with history around every corner. For a stunning overdose of white and gold colors, visit Baikal. When it comes to breaking records, Lake Baikal is hard to beat. This massive high-altitude reef lake in Siberia is the oldest and deepest lake in the world, reaching a maximum depth of 1,642 meters and an estimated 25 million years of age. Baikal is also the largest freshwater lake in the world. Over 20% of the world's freshwater is in this lake. Golden Ring. Russia Golden Ring is a well-known tourist route which came into existence in 1960s. This route passes through many medieval Russian cities lying on the northeastern side of Moscow. The Golden Ring consists of a total of 8 primary cities together with some subordinate cities situated in Moscow, Ivanovo, Yaroslavl, Vladimir, and Kostroma. The primary attraction offered by the cities lying on the Golden Ring includes ancient buildings were preserved, monasteries, magnificent churches, and several other UNESCO World Heritage Sites. Home to a university and a major Russian watch manufacturer, but this relatively small city called to fame is the Peterhof Palace, originally designed and built in the early 70s for Tsar Peter the Great, in a style that resembles the Palace of Versailles. The palace grounds cover an area of almost 4,000 hectares. the most popular and famous square in Russia. The Red Square is one of the best tourist places in Russia and is home to myriad of important landmarks of capital city Moscow. This lively square shelters the Kremlin, the State History Museum, St. Basil's Cathedral, GUM, and Lenin's Mausoleum. The Red Square serves as the main square of the city